Just got a pretty cool little piece from my mini Dictator 72 by 2-inch grinder, and this is really cool for putting a fuller like in a sword or a knife, and it's only cost about $60 on eBay. It's got a little holder here, and these two mount here, so you just remove this assembly, pop that in, and then it comes with also a couple of mounting bolts. Looks like it probably would fit this grinder, and also comes with these various wheels for different size fullers you might want to do. I'm not sure about these smaller ones, how these would work, but the ones where the roller is as big as the bearing or bigger than the bearing, that would work. So these two would work for sure. So I'm going to put together and see how it works. So just flip the belt off, push this down, the pressure off, get the current belt off. Using an old washing machine motor. I think it's off of like a Whirlpool, but it's pretty fast RPM. And then we're just going to use our wrench to remove these two. Spin this one out. Okay. Spinning out the last bolt here. There we go. It's kind of like the ones that came with the kit are the same size. Get this one out of the way. Put on the new one. Yeah, that's going to work good. Looks like this will probably be mounted underneath to make that function. Okay, put this guy in. Just a small note, once you get these screws in, you got to tighten them with just an open-end wrench because your socket wouldn't fit in. No big deal. So it looks pretty good. Got these tightened, pulled the arm further out to accommodate just the 3 wheels, and got the biggest one of the rollers on here. It looks like the other ones probably wouldn't work for doing the knife fullering because it looks like it'd just be too close and you'd be hitting the frame and you wouldn't be able to get the abrasive wheel to hit your work to your piece. Let's see if I can show you guys an example. So if we were going to fuller this for some reason, you can see that that contact wheel is going to work out good. I may end up grinding off though a little bit of this part of the frame right here and right here to allow my workpiece to get in even closer, because it looks like it's probably being blocked. Could still have a fuller though if I were to tilt my piece, but then it's kind of inconsistent. So I'll probably just grind off a little bit of that, but it looks good. And again, it's only about 60 bucks. Other ones on the market are coming in at about 120, so pretty good. I'll put a link in the description below, but it looks pretty sturdy, pretty well made, and this is working good for this mini grinder.